Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your MSI Thin A15. So for this method you need to know your password. If you don't know it, then I suggest you visiting a video on how to install Windows from USB. Also, if you don't have system on your laptop, then also that other video will be great. But if you already are logged in and want to just reset your laptop to, for example, sell it or do anything else, honestly, like reset it for yourself because you have too much files that you don't really need, or something's not working and you think that resetting it will work, then this video is gonna surely be for you. And how to do it? Go to settings, then go to Windows Update, and now just go to advanced options. Now go to recovery and click on reset PC. Now you get to choose whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. So I'll select remove everything. If you select to keep your files, it'll remove apps and settings, but it'll still have your account logged in with the password, so the password will still be kept, and it'll leave your personal files. And also sometimes it gives you an HTML file that you can easily open in a browser that'll tell you which apps have been previously installed, so you know what to reinstall in case you need. Although I'm gonna select remove everything. Also, if you're selling your laptop, you need to choose remove everything. And if you're selling your laptop, then there is also one important thing, which is change settings and set clean data. It is really important because if you select it, it'll take hours, so you need to get ready for that. But it'll make the data harder to recover, so it is much better for security. So if you're selling your laptop, then select yes. I'm gonna select no because I want to make it quicker, and also I'm not selling it now, so now I'm just gonna click on next. By the way, I don't have internet connection, so I wasn't asked that question. But if you do have internet connection, then you'll be asked whether you want to reinstall it from the cloud or locally. So I usually select locally. I don't know if reinstalling it from the cloud changes anything besides installing the freshest version with the updates in the meantime. I just select always local reinstall, then update it afterwards. But it's up to you. Remember that the cloud download may take a few gigabytes of your connection, so if you have a limited connection plan, then choose the local reinstall. Now I'm gonna click on next, then a few seconds to get things ready, then just click on reset, and then it'll start resetting, and it may take maybe 15 minutes, sometimes longer, sometimes shorter. So I'll just get back to you when everything is reset, when we get into the setup. So now you just don't need to click on anything. Also make sure that your laptop is plugged in at all time, and just don't click on anything, and I'll get back to you when everything is done. And now we've gotten into the setup, so you can set it up. If you don't know how to set it up, there's a video on our channel on how to set it up, so you can find it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.